This works very well. It's secure. All right, so I just got a console vault accessory from GM. Let's get this out of the box. Let's get this checked out. This looks like a top gasket seal. Here's the vault. A couple of bolts. Here's my pin to reset the password. Yeah, that is the console vault. Nicely made, all steel. It looks like just 2 bolts to get it installed. So let's go ahead and get this into the center console. All right, so to get this installed, we need to go ahead and pull out this little mat. You need a 10mm socket and pull out these bolts. That one came loose pretty quickly. Okay, those 2 came out pretty easy. Now let's see if this vault goes in just as easy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this so I have a little bit better grip here. And lowering this straight in, yeah, that worked out pretty nicely. So I'm gonna take these 2 items out. The existing bolts and the new bolts appear to be the exact same, so I'm gonna go ahead and save those for later. There's a little bit of foam padding inside of the vault here. Set that to the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and thread these in hand tight for now. First one hand tight, and now the second. What's going on with this washer here? There we go. Okay, those are both hand tight. I don't have enough travel on this socket, so that's unfortunate. Go ahead and use my 10mm wrench. Okay, that one's good and snug. Less than 10 for sure. Let's go ahead and get this trim piece in. Okay, it looks like there's these little dots on the bottom here, these little plugs that will match up with the top of the safe. Give it a nice little finished look. All right, so matching these up is a little bit of a pain in the ass. But once you get it started, it goes pretty good. Well, now that trim piece in, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get that in there. This works very well. It's secure. You can still put things on top of it, quite large items actually. Do I have anything in here? Yeah, let's use a neck pillow as an example. Throw this in here, still close the center console. Still have access to your safe, and you're off to the races. I hope that helps people. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel built up. Thank you.